next one, which is from Adele Forrest. So, do I apply for a mortgage in Spain or the UK if buying in Spain?
Either. You can do it either way. So start off in the UK, and the first thing to say before I say anything else, mortgages all of a sudden have become like hot topic over here, because going back 2 years ago, we barely ever sold a property that had a mortgage attached to it. The amount of people now who are taking mortgages out to buy in Spain has absolutely gone through the roof. And that's only down to one reason, because the prices have gone up.
Yeah.
So there's two ways to do it. You can either, if you've already got a property in the UK that's sat with some nice equity in it, you can speak to your current mortgage provider and see if it can increase the terms on that. The benefit you've got in the UK is you'll get more of the loan, you'll get more of the value out of the property, because the loan to value is quite low in the UK. You can borrow more out of that asset. The downside of the UK is the interest rates are more expensive.
Yes, but they are coming down. They are coming down, I believe.
Yeah. So the UK is linked to LIBOR. The euro, Spain is linked to the Eurobor, which has traditionally always been lower. If you apply for a mortgage in Spain, the loan to value is low. You'll need around 30% as a deposit, plus your buying costs. So we roughly estimate you'll need between 40 and 50%. But the interest rate's lower. The good thing to do is, if you speak to a mortgage broker here, there's a number of the mortgage brokers, and the ones that we deal with, they're regulated to give you mortgage advice both in the UK and in Spain. So whatever's best for you, they can do for you. But have a chat with the broker.
We see most of the time, I would say, and correct me if I'm wrong, most of the time, if you're getting funds from the UK, it's normally buy your business or equity release. Most, I would say, mortgages that people get out tend to be in Spain.
Yes. Well, funnily enough, we've had two sales over the last week. One person was taking equity from their property in the UK, and the person yesterday who purchased on the Finca is taking a Spanish mortgage.
Spanish mortgage. Yeah. So it does tend to be. I think at the end of the day, it is property in Spain, and the Spanish. I'm probably more equipped to deal with that and to get the mortgage on the property and get the systems in place and the checks and a little bit of a different process. How we go to the notary, it's a little bit more old school in Spain. So obviously the Spanish banks are used to how transactions with properties work.
Yeah. Okay. Good question from Adele there.
Welcome Estates, your trusted partner for finding dream homes in Costa Blanca, Spain. Beautiful new build villas, seaside apartments and country fincas. Start your journey today at welcomeestates.com and let us find your perfect home.